Hi everyone. Welcome to this exciting video. Today, we will be exploring Germany. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, this video has something for everyone. Get ready to dive deep into the world of Germany as we discover its fascinating aspects and uncover hidden gems along the way. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. Introduction. Germany is a country with a rich history, vibrant culture, and diverse landscapes. It's one of the world's largest economies and home to many major cities. It has an incredibly diverse population, with people from all over the world living there. The food alone deserves its own post, but here are some other fun facts about Germany. German culture. German culture is a mixture of the old and new. The country was first established in 1871 with the fall of Napoleon's empire and has since been heavily influenced by its neighbors France, Austria, and Switzerland. But it also has ties to Scandinavia, Denmark, Poland, Czech Republic, and Slovakia, thanks to centuries-long trade relationships that have carried over into modern times. History of Germany. The history of Germany is a long, complex one. It's been home to many different peoples and cultures throughout its history. Germany has been part of the Roman Empire, but it wasn't until the Middle Ages that the country began to emerge as a unified nation-state. In 1871, Otto von Bismarck united several Germanic states into what was called the German Empire under Prussian leadership, which lasted until 1918. After World War I and II came an era known as the Cold War, where East Germany and West Germany existed as separate entities while still being part of NATO and the European Economic Community, now known as the European Union. In 1989, East Germans were able to cross over into West Berlin via checkpoints along what was known as the Berlin Wall. 2 years later, on October 3, 1991, reunification took place between these two sections. However, this did not include all four parts because some wanted autonomy instead, Schleswig-Holstein being one example. Economy of Germany. Germany is the world's fourth largest economy and has one of the highest standards of living in Europe. It is also one of the largest exporters in the world, with exports accounting for almost 45% of its GDP. The German economy has a highly skilled labor force, which makes it one of the most competitive economies in Europe and beyond. Its diverse sectors include technology, manufacturing, and services, all linked by an export-oriented system that ensures high productivity as well as job creation at home while promoting innovation abroad through foreign direct investment (FDI) activities worldwide. Politics in Germany. Germany is a federal parliamentary republic, meaning that it has three branches of government: executive, legislative, and judicial. The executive branch is headed by a president who serves as head of state. The chancellor serves as head of government and leads the cabinet, or government. The legislative branch consists of two houses: the Bundestag, Federal Diet, which represents all Germans and can pass laws with simple majority votes in both houses, and Bundesrat, Federal Council, which represents each state's interests at the federal level. The German constitution provides for freedom of speech but also allows for censorship if necessary in order to protect public safety or order. It also guarantees equal rights regardless of race or gender. Geography of Germany. Germany is a country in Central Europe. It is bordered by the Czech Republic, Austria, Switzerland, France, and Luxembourg on its west, Belgium and the Netherlands on its south, Poland and Denmark on its east. To the north, it shares a coastline with Denmark and Norway. Germany has an inland waterway system that links the North Sea with Baltic Sea via canals, rivers, and lakes, known as Binnenwasserwege. The longest river is Rhine River with a length of 1,320 kilometers, 819 miles. Society in Germany. Germany is a federal parliamentary republic with a population of 82 million people. It has a strong welfare state and is one of the largest economies in Europe. Germany was founded on the 23rd of May 1949, when the West German Federal Republic was created out of the former French, British, and American occupation zones. Germany became independent after World War II ended in 1945 when France, Britain, and America divided up Germany into four parts, each controlling an area surrounding their capital cities: Berlin, USSR, Hamburg, Britain, Stuttgart, Munich, France. Sports in Germany. Germany is one of the most successful football nations in the world, having won 4 FIFA World Championships, 1954, 1974, 1990, 2014, and 3 UEFA European Championships, 1972, 1980, and 1996. It also has a rich history in other sports like basketball, field hockey, and ice hockey. As well as being known for its sporting prowess, Germany has produced some of the greatest athletes to ever grace their respective sports, including Michael Schumacher, who won 7 Formula One World Championships between 1994 to 2003, Franz Beckenbauer, who captained West Germany to victory at both Euro 72 and 74. Steffi Graf, who dominated women's tennis from 1988 until 1996, winning 22 Grand Slam titles including an open-era record 6 Wimbledon titles. Boris Becker, who became Britain's youngest ever Wimbledon champion aged 17 years old in 1985 before going on to win 3 more titles over his career. Paul Biederman, who set an Olympic record time when he won 100 million won breaststroke gold at London 2012 with one of only 2 men ever under 57 seconds. Food in Germany. German food is very good. Sauerkraut, sausage and pretzels are all staples of German cuisine. The schnitzel, dumplings and beer are also must-try items when you visit Germany. German food is healthy too. Vegetables, fruit and fish feature heavily on menus across the country, as well as pork or beef dishes cooked in various ways, think schnitzel. The first thing to know about Germany is that there are many things to know about it. Germany is a large country, with a population of 80 million people in an area of 137,847 square miles, 356,000 square kilometers. It has a rich history, strong economy and stable democracy. Germany is also part of the EU, European Union, which means they share our values like freedom of speech and religion as well as equality between men and women. They also have great food.